How to delete account in Honeygain. Now first of all I will open the Chrome here, and as you can see I have already opened this Honeygain. Now what I'll do is I'll simply go to this option here, select this, and I'll go profile settings. Now I scroll down a little bit, and as you can see here is the option delete. So are you sure you want to delete your account? Recover, delete, and again cover about it, you will be emailed. So I will select yes, delete. So it will send the link in your Gmail account. So you can basically go there and open that link. So let me show you. So as you can see I will basically open this, and here delete confirmation. Confirm account deletion, delete permanently. So as you can see that account is gone. So this is how to delete account on Honeygain.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.